it, baby. I copy you. What is this anyway, baby? Mateo, what's this? Oh, what is that? What does it mean? Oh, today he was slapping me 5, weren't you, little guy? You were slapping me 5. You were. What do you got this ear? Get this ear off my head. Oh, it's so annoying. Get this ear off, Mommy. I don't like it. What? You're being so silly, little guy.